We work in the dark to serve the light. We are assassins. That is just a glitch into the mind of assassins. But I don't mean I'm an assassin. I don't mean you are also, and I've never imagined to be one of them. But one thing I want to bring to you today is the world that we live in has sets of people who try to control it. The governments, business people, and certain other, even poor people, they have their own ways. So there are those who cover up the real situation by saying they work in the dark to serve the light. Means, who are the lights? The lights are the people who are behind them. For example, the politicians. Politicians or government invest a lot in intelligence and security. Actually, they call it, in military language, they call it intelligence. Actually, that's not intelligence because it uses a lot of energy. Forceful investigation. So be very careful how you handle things in life, because we have those who work in the dark to serve the light. Be careful. Thank you.
That's alright. If you carry on abusing, you'll be rough and runs. I refuse to lose another friend to drugs. Just come home. Don't let go. Sing it with me, Gloucester. 'Cause if you look into the